All right, the construction guys broke our outdoor heat faucet and they plugged it, but the plug came out and now it's just raining. And on the one day they haven't come to work on the pool ever.
Like almost 2 months.
Like it comes out. So we're gonna try to fix this ourselves. And maybe hopefully one of our people will come out and fix it while we wait for him. But alrighty, that's our temporary fix, much like what we had before.
David said he packed
It's dripping, and hopefully someone will come by and fix it for good. But it's tomorrow. They're coming tomorrow to fix it. Hopefully the whole crew comes to work on our beautiful pool. If you're interested in more home renovation on a Mexican beach videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can like this and leave a comment if you got any questions or you just want to say thank you. Always love that. And of course, hit that bell notification so you make sure you see all my episodes as soon as they come out. See you guys next time. Bye.